Pallet composting. You may have seen our videos before, but we're trying something new. I just added a bunch more compost here. We've got chicken bedding, we've got quail squat, we've got this one which is doing really well. It's actually got like a squash plant growing there, but we don't want that. So I'm about to get these turned. So we're about to give it a try. I've got the pitchforks on, or not pitchforks, but the forklift on the front end of my tractor. I'm going to open up these doors and we are going to dig in and turn it. We're going to dig in, lift it up, and let it fall, and we'll do that for several times. I'm going to actually move the forks a little bit closer. Ralph Mann's Outdoors. My brother, Paul Mann, you can check him out. He's a wood carver at Man-Made, that's one word, M-A-N-N-M-A-D-E, space, in Arkansas, one word, I-N-A-R-K-A-N-S-A-S, at Facebook. He came by, stayed for about 4 or 5 days, loaded up his 3500 diesel pickup truck, and carried a bunch of wood back to his house from a fallen tree. And he made a suggestion. He said, instead of turning your compost with a pitchfork, turn it with your tractor. Well, that wasn't very hard, especially not on my back, but it seemed to turn it pretty good. So I'm going to put the thermometer back in it and we'll get the other side done. Well, that was pretty easy. Probably ought to get a pitchfork and draw some of that from the back down here to the front, but I can do that easily without hurting my back. Ralph Mann's Outdoors. That's pretty quick work for turning your compost pile, especially 2 of them like that. Till next time, God bless. If you found anything helpful, hit that thumbs up, like, share, and do us a favor, subscribe. It really does help. Till next time, God bless.